We just received some fantastic feedback with a glowing 5-star review. And now comes the fun part, sharing it with you. We're happy to say this is just one of many. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. We love knowing that people we serve consider us the best company to do business with. We'd love for you to give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.